Hi, it's Pekka from Logbullet and welcome to the workshop. So I have been over here welding. I hope actually this might be not the last frames, but in the future I will have this welding in my supplier in Suonenjoki, a company called Tehokoneistus. So I have been over here happy welding, but to go to develop the company and go forward, I think now it's time for this to go to supplier. But actually I have something what we have also done over here, so let's go to something hydraulics. And here we have something great, torch box. So I have been manufacturing Logbullets now 10 years, and I have used like different valves and that kind of system. And last time when I was assembling Megamax and rear section, I did spend 2 days with hoses over there, and I was thinking that no, this cannot be the way how I'm building machines. It has to be like other way. So I decided that I will plan hydraulic manifold. And this is hydraulic manifold. So it's this kind of like cheese. And I did actually spend 3 weeks designing this. Next ones I did also design later, other one, and it was 1 day. So it's not, first one is always takes the most time, but end result is great. I have one of these in the Super Bullet and it works great. And in Megamax there will be 2 of these. So the idea over here is actually like, why it's great. So I have over here in this end, there will be 2 hoses from the pump, and then in the sides there is hose, totally 8. And then, so for dry motors, each have 2 hoses, so just like hoses from the dry motors. And from the pump, that's all. I don't need special couplings over here, no valves, nothing. So it's like simple, good package. And okay, over here I can show you some components. So flow divider. Even in the original Logbullet, when you are driving like in the icy hill, and if you have differential lock on, you will have 8 wheel spinning, free spinning. So without this kind of like flow divider, it would be only like other side, which would be in the more slippery side, would be free spinning. But with this kind of thing, we have 8 wheels free spinning. And so the idea over here is that if you want to push over here 40 liters per minute to the center, or gallons per minute or something like that, so it will divide it to half, so you will get out from this side 20 liters per minute and from this side 20 liters per minute. So it's like, even like, if you have in this side you have good ground, solid ground, and in this side is in the ice, machine will move because it will anyway push to this side also liquid. Without this kind of differential lock, so flow divider, it would be only like all the fluid would go to the icy side and you would be stuck. Yeah, and the other nice thing with this is actually if you want to push over here to this side 20 liters per minute fluid, you have to push same amount to this side to get from here 40 liters. So it works to 2-way. And yeah, just you can see this kind of auto shapes. So in this hole, it goes over here. Nice. And of course, usually you don't need to have differential lock because if you like turning with differential lock, you will hear from the machine it works way more, and it also like disturbs the ground and everything. So it's like bypassing over here. So this hole goes over here. And then we have this kind of, actually these are nice, these are in the angle. It's a nice thing when you are building. Actually, we have, I'm like partner in one subcontractor where this is also made over here. So we have like vertical milling machine with turning table. So it's actually nice when you are making these holes, this block is like this, Then when you want to make this kind of hose, we just turn the table, and then we have this kind of hose. So it's a good efficient system. And then we have over here we have 6 hoses where we have this kind of on and off valves. So over here actually idea is that there's in this end there's like 1 hole, and then in this side there is 1 hole, and over here you can see O-ring and O-ring over here. And there is 2 types of these. So other one is like when there is no currency, this is open. So like now the liquid goes from here to here freely. Okay, it's not freely because it's always a little pressure like spring inside over here. And the other type is that without electricity these are closed. So now it's like no liquid from here to here. And then we have this kind of, okay, I will take this nut away. And then this kind of electrical stuff over here. It should go over here. Like, I shouldn't work with one. Okay, it's other way. And then, so it looks like this. And then we have over here, we have the connector. I usually have to have LEDs over there. And when we have, so the idea is that when we don't have the electricity, we have, so no electricity over here, then it's like in the fast gear. And then when we have like 1 switch, we have all of these, we have electricity, and then it's slow gear. So that is nice. And like I thought, we have one in Super Bullet, just like this, locks, and it works perfectly. I was so happy because after I did design this, I did purchase these components, and a lot of work, and then I did assemble Super Bullet and like driving, and yeah, it works, and then I have like pressure gauge over there, and like, yeah, it's perfect. Everything goes fine, and I was so relieved and so happy in that moment. So it's like this kind of thing. Actually, one thing also now comes like what I have also done. So like I'm a father of the 2, so I have 2 kids, and like both of my kids are playing soccer. And it's like, it's a club is not like any super club which makes just champions. It's like, I think the idea is more to like kids to be happy and play. And that kind of clubs are like with really small money all the time. So it's like team, like parents pay for the team, and then the team like spends money. And kids love to play, and in the tournaments, and love to play. And the tournaments fees are like small money for the companies, but big money for that kind of clubs or teams. So I decided that after 10 years, now I've been like entrepreneur for 10 years, I decided, okay, I will support one team. So I did actually pay them to one tournament. It was 250 euros total. So for the company, marketing money relatively small, and I of course I did get back because the team has Instagram account, and they are saying that okay, this company was supporting us, so it's good marketing in that way. And the biggest thing was actually it was yesterday, so my kid is also playing in that team. Of course, the thing was for me was important that everybody who wants from the team can come, and like everybody will play, and so nothing special for my kids in that way. But anyway, I was yesterday over there, and like, because I think that companies should be good citizens, and being a good citizen is that you pay the taxes, and also like you support that kind of activity for the kids. So I was happy yesterday. I'm still happy for that. So I will not, because I play with more small margin over here, so I don't see any reason to support for any like adults big money things. That is for the other companies. But for the kids, soccer, for the happiness, it's good money well spent. Yeah. Okay, I will continue my working. I will, yeah. But see you, bye.